today we're going to do unboxing, guys. So here it is. This is the anniversary gift from my husband, Michael Kors, of course. So let's go ahead and do unboxing. So the first one, guys, we'll do the unboxing is this one. So here's the receipt. Here's the anniversary card, guys. So here's the dust bag, and we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. So this one is the MF Ponex body leather jet set, Michael Kors jet set travel black. So here it is. And we're gonna open it. There's slots for putting cards. And there's the strap. Also, you can wear it like handbag or with strap. So here it is, guys. Here's the cards. I'm putting a cell phone here or card too. So that's it. First item. Second item is this one. It's Michael Kors Jet Set Travel LG Double Zip Wristlet Vanilla. They're originally 198 bucks. So here it is. And there's a zipper here. There's a zipper. This is a wallet, guys. You can put your cell phone also here. Then cards here. Then a thing also here. So there's a cards. And there's a slots there. And here putting your money. So that's it in Michael Kors, guys. This one is paired with my purse. So I also bought a dust bag for that. That's $5. And I also buy a it's a leather care kit, guys. I bought this for my purse. So last but not the least is this bag with the purse. Ta-da! Here's the purse, guys. So let's go ahead and open it. Open the purse. So you're wondering what does it look like? So this is what it looks like, guys. So this is really new. So I'm going to take off the pocket. And this is the bag. It's so pretty. So this is the strap. This is the strap, guys. I'm gonna take off this one first. Like, I feel like I don't wanna use it, but I have to, you know, because that's the reason why we bought it. And the heart though. So the strap is like this. This is the Michael Kors. And what I like in this bag is it will stand. See? So I'll show you the inside. Here's the inside of that one, guys. I'm gonna take that off. It's pretty big though. It's pretty big first, and then there's the Michael Kors Stygian long drop satchel vanilla. It's originally $448. There's the cards. There's a thing just like that, and there's the middle side so you can put your wallet so it's safe. So I like this bag, guys, because it's big. Like, I don't want a small bag that I carry. So that's it, guys. That's this Michael Kors that my husband bought for me for anniversary. So that's it. That's it for today, and thanks for watching my unboxing, and remember, have faith, be brave, be happy, and be yourself always. God bless everyone, and watch for the next video, my oath taking next time. Thank you.